Hi, I'm Aaron Holler, and I'm here today to show you how to replace the tilt latch in Quaker's Brighton Double Hung window. Tools needed for this are a small flat tip screwdriver and a Phillips tip screwdriver, or you can use a cordless drill with a Phillips tip bit. To remove the tilt latch, first you'll want to either tilt the sash back simply by raising the sash a few inches and tilting the sash back. You can do it in this position or completely remove the sash, which is actually easier. Next, you will take your small flat screwdriver, pry up just slightly on the back edge of the slide latch, and then slide the latch back and out. Next, you'll simply take your cordless drill or screwdriver, push back on the blade a bit to expose the screw, and simply remove the screw. Tilt latch will pop right out. To replace, you'll simply put the tilt latch back into position, push back on the blade, put the screw back in the hole, and drive the screw back in with your cordless drill or screwdriver. To replace the tab, simply push in on the blade slightly, drop the front edge of that tab into the slot, and then simply push down on the back edge, and you're good to go. You're now ready to replace your sash. Thanks for watching. Feel free to watch other instructional videos on Quaker's YouTube channel.